Um,
Yes, Srishti,
so
you are
good
right.
okay. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Shrishti, a core committee member of GDSC AUM. So today we are gathered here to introduce how 30 days of Google Cloud work. So we will start off with Tushar Sharma, the lead of JDSC AUM. Tushar, go ahead.
Thank you, Srishti. So, hello guys, here to see that how we are going to start with the 30 days of Google Cloud, what all activities we are going to do in this particular session, and how many tracks you need to complete, what are going to be the costs, and what all you are going to gain from this particular campaign. So, Srishti, can you change the slide? Okay, so I think most of you are in the second year or most probably in the third year. So you may have an idea about what is cloud computing. So I just wanted to ask you that do you guys know what actually is cloud computing? So can I get some responses from the audience? Hello. It's a simple question like what is cloud computing actually? Would anyone of you would like to answer? There are 23 members. So can anyone of you just unmute and say that what is cloud computing?
Yeah, using other computer resources and we make a project and something like that.
Yeah, and it's
Yes.
like all the data stores on the cloud. We can also engage our other people as well into project.
Excellent, excellent. Both the answers were correct. So let me just give a small definition of what is cloud actually. So cloud computing is the delivery of computing services, including servers, storages, databases, networking, software analytics, and intelligence over the internet for faster communication and for flexible resources. Okay. So, in this 30 days of GCP program, you will be given some tasks which you need to complete, through which you'll learn how actually cloud computing works. Okay. So, Srishti, next slide, please. Can you please unmute from your side?
Yeah, sure.
So, before moving on to what is actually 30 days of GCP program, so let me just tell you what are the advantages of Google Cloud. So, first of all, it is very cost efficient and the speed is also quite high, and it is generally used on a global scale that most of the companies are trying to shift to cloud nowadays because it's quite fast, it's scalable, and it has increased productivity as well as performance. So that's the main motto. In order to get maximum performance, we need to utilize our resources correctly. So that's why most of the companies are trying to shift to cloud these days. So now let me just tell you about 30 days of cloud. So in this 30 days of cloud program, you will be given certain tracks or you can say certain challenges which you need to complete within 30 days. And you'll get a overall, what I can say is you can get an overall idea about cloud computing, how you can use cloud computing in artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science. So first of all, we are going to take you from a very basic level, which is the cloud infrastructure. Krishti, can you just change the slide? Yes, so for 30 days of GCP program, the platform which we are going to use is known as QuickLab. Okay, so in this particular program, all the assignments, all the tasks which you will be getting, that will be on that particular platform, which is QuickLab. So let me just do one thing. Krishti, can you unshare your screen and so that I can show the participants how your QuickLab platform looks? Thank you very much. Guys, just give me a minute. I'll share my screen and I'll share the QuickLab link in the chat box as well. So guys, I've pasted the link in the chat box. Christy, is it visible?
Yes, it's visible.
Perfect. So guys, I'll share my screen now. Christy, is my screen visible?
Yes, it is.
Perfect. So you gotta go to this particular URL. From here, you can just sign in from Google. And remember, guys, the account which you have used, which you have provided in the form, that particular account should be used for accessing the Quick Class account. So I think here it shows I have some credits left. So let me just show you how does a quest, what is a quest actually. So as you can see, this is a particular quest and you need to complete certain challenges. For example, this is the cloud architecture quest. It has around 4 challenges. And once you are done with it, there will be a test for you, a test challenge. And once you complete that, you'll get a particular badge. So in this way, you need to complete all the tracks in 30 days of GCP platform. Okay, Christy, you can start the presentation.
Sure.
Next slide, please. Yes, so as I said, we will be taking you from a very basic level till the advanced level. So as you can see, cloud engineering is the track one of 30 days of Google Cloud program. So the first phase is create and manage Google resources, perform infrastructure tasks. So in these particular quests, you'll know what is the basic infrastructure of cloud, how you can use it for completing your task. So after that, you will be able to deploy your own models, deploy your machine learning models, etc. using Google Cloud Console. After that, we have build and secure networks deployed to Kubernetes. So as I said, cloud can also be used to deploy your models you for testing your websites and all. So for that, you have two particular quests. Very sorry. You have two quests which are build and secure networks and deploy to Kubernetes. In this, you will be deploying your model or what I can say, a program in a Kubernetes cluster. Each and everything is mentioned in that particular lab. All the steps will be given. You just need to follow that step and complete that particular lab. And along with that, you can learn how you can deploy your particular model into Kubernetes and into cloud. Christy, next slide, please. Yes, so as I said, so cloud computing is not only restricted for a change of information, loading the data in the cloud. It has many other applications. Cloud computing also has applications in the field of data science and machine learning. So that's why this year, 30 days of GCP has includes data science and machine learning track, where you'll know like how you can deploy, how machine learning and cloud computing works together. In this particular track, you will be deploying your ML models on a Google Cloud Console, and you will be building your own models as well. All these steps are given in the quest. You just need to follow that, and you can learn how to implement data science and machine learning using cloud computing. Next slide, please. Okay, so I think I've already given you the tutorial of how to use the Quick Labs platform and how you can enroll in the courses and how you can complete that particular quest. You will be having a test at once you complete 4 to 5 quests, and you'll get that particular badge. So I think everyone knows that. The I got some queries from some people that they don't know how to get those credits which they have got from 30 days of GCP program. So Christy will be sharing a screen and she will be showing how you can get the credits.
Good afternoon, everyone. I will be showing you how to get the credits once you have received your email from Google Cloud. So, for those who haven't received it yet, don't worry, you will receive it by Monday. And those who have, and some of you might have gotten your credits already, but those who haven't, I'll show you how to do so. So, your email is going to look something like this. And over here, you will be given a unique code. So, you just have to copy it and go over here. That's enter your code. It will open up to a new tab. Here, you just have to paste your code and do the captcha. After doing it, the screen is going to look something like this. Now, since I have already signed in, when you click here, you're going to see 9 credits written here. But I have already completed more steps, so that's why I have monthly subscriptions. For you guys, it's going to look something like this. Once you put in a unique code, this is the screen that you will be shown. You just have to sign in and sign in with the email that you have mentioned in that enrollment form. Don't use any other email, otherwise it won't work. Once you have signed in, you will be given 9 credits automatically. You don't have to do anything else. You will be given. Sometimes it may take 5 to 10 minutes, but it will happen. Once that is done, you just have to click here. That's the tour of Quick Labs. To get the monthly subscription, you have to complete this entire lab. And don't worry, everything is mentioned in the documentation. You just have to go through it step by step.
Christy, can you
So
just
to
start this lab and show them like how can they open the Google Cloud console? Can you just start this particular lab again?
I was just going to do it. Okay, so when you open that lab, that's the tour of Quick Labs and Google Cloud. First of all, go to the documentation. Once you have an idea what you are going to do, start the lab. Now, a key important note, only start the lab if you are sure that you have 45 minutes of free time with zero disturbances, because you cannot pause the lab. And if you're not able to complete the lab within the time limit, it's game over. So I will be starting the lab to show how it goes about. So when you start the lab, you will be given something like this. This is your username, password, and your GCP project ID. Now here, when you click on Open Google Console, you will be given this sign-in page. Now don't put in your normal email ID. You have to put here the username given here, which is already done. For the password, it's again given here. Just copy and paste it. And this is how your console is going to look. Now, I would suggest that you open a new window for it so that when you are performing the lab, you can also go through all the steps mentioned. Each and everything is mentioned in detail here, so there won't be any confusion. But if you still have, we are always here to help you. And yes, this is how it is going to look. You just have to read through it. And also, don't forget to do these quizzes because this is going to count in. And that's it.
Yes, Rishi. So it was a wonderful presentation. So can you start sharing the slides again? Or go to the next page. Christy, next slide. Hello, Christy. Yes, perfect, 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 perfect. Yes. So if you will be completing any one of the tracks, then you'll be getting a T-shirt as well as a stickers from Google. So that's for the ones who have either completed either track one or track two. 60, next slide, please. Next one. Yes. And those who complete both the tracks within 30 days after you get your numbers, after you get your monthly subscription, and after that, from that date till next 30 days, if you have completed both the tracks, which is the cloud engineering track as well as data science and machine learning track, you'll be getting a t-shirt, some stickers, a laptop bag, and a water bottle from Google. So these are the swag and goodies which will be provided by Google. Along with that, you will be receiving a participation certificate of 30 days of Google Cloud program from GDSC all over India. Next slide, please. Yeah, this is a wonderful announcement which we wanted to do on behalf of Google Developer Student Club, Amity University, Mumbai. We are going to start with the hiring chapter leads for various other domains. Uh, are we free to choose the order of the tracks? Yes, you are free to choose. So we will be taking the Q&A session at the end once we are done with the presentation. So now moving on to what is a chapter lead basically. So chapter lead does the task of coordinating with the core committee and other committees of GDSC AUM, and he or she collaborates in projects. He or she takes parts in hackathons with the whole team of that particular domain. So let me give you an example. For example, a particular person is in AIML and it has a particular chapter lead. So AIML team will be given a certain project for a month, and side by side they need to participate in hackathons, in open source competitions, as well as Android study jams, machine learning study jams, which will be organized by Google Developer Student Club of India. So the registration form were already circulated in your respective WhatsApp group, but since we didn't get more than 100 responses, so this time we will be circulating it again for 2 days, and those forms will be sent on your WhatsApp groups in the next week. So the validity of the form will be only 2 days, that's 48 hours, and till that time you need to fill the form. Those who have already filled the form, they don't need to fill it again. We already have their entries, and they'll be getting a mail from GDSC official mail ID by next. So I think it's pretty much clear. So if we are open to questions now. So if you guys have any questions, you can either unmute your mic or you can just put it in the chat box. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, Harsh.
Uh,
You can ask your.
hey man, Harsh here. Dude, actually I entered the code and it's not really like showing the credits to me. Like the credits aren't appearing on my like Google Cloud platform. Sorry, Quick Clouds platform. Sorry. So what do I do about that?
Um, you just send me your ID on the WhatsApp group. I'll be sharing a form for those who haven't received any credits by Tuesday. So just
Okay.
put your name, your email ID, as well as a screenshot of your QuickLab profile, as well as your QuickLab public ID, so that we can forward it to the authorities and they'll tell you the further process.
All right. All right, man.
Any other questions? Yes, Gaganji. Yes, Gaganji, you can unmute your mic.
I did not know that there was a WhatsApp group. Can I get the link to join it?
Sure. Just give me a minute. I'll just share it here in the chat box.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Anyone else? If you guys have any doubts related to 30 days of GCP as well as our campaign, our recruiting campaign, so feel free to ask.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
So, what time will it be every day?
What time as in?
The training, the Google Cloud,
You can do it anytime.
anytime.
Anytime, yes. You can finish your labs at any time. What I'll suggest is please complete your labs within 20 days because I think the program has started since 25 itself because some of you have got your credits on 25th itself. So that's why what I recommend is you can complete your labs by 15th to 20th of October to be on the safe side.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
So, anyone else would like to ask any questions? Gagandeep, I have pasted the link in the chat box. School tech. I didn't receive the form. Actually, the forms were circulated in all the WhatsApp groups as well as on our official Discord server. So I think you should have filled it, but no worries. We will be having another cloud program within a couple of months, so you can surely enroll in that. And if you want to practice cloud computing, I'm always there. We will be organizing some sessions of completing certain labs which are quite difficult. So over there, you can practice using my account. I'll be giving my credits to you guys. I did not receive any confirmation or something yet. Aditya, actually, only 43.5K emails have been sent till now. Still 20,000 mails are pending. So you'll definitely get it by Monday evening in your spam folder. And guys, remember one thing. Sometimes the mail drops into your spam folder, spam or promotions folder. So keep checking it till Monday evening or Tuesday morning. I think I've shared the link, and many of you have joined the WhatsApp group. Okay, and we also have a Discord server. So if you have any doubts or if you want to, if you're not able to finish any lab, you want any help with that, so you can just tag me over there, and I'll be joining one of the voice channels, and I can clear your doubts. Any other doubts? It's okay, right? For I have submitted my official. Yes, sir, it's perfectly fine. You can use any mail ID. That's your choice. Any other questions? Please share the server link. Group, once you join a WhatsApp group, okay, so the link will be shared over there. I'll share it here as well. Just give me a minute. Anything else you guys wanna ask? The whole core committee is here. You can ask them anything. Prerequisites for taking part in the recruitment drive is you need to be familiar with that particular domain. You must have done at least one project, or even if you have a good knowledge about that and you have made small projects, then also it's fine. We will be asking you some technical questions, so if you are able to answer that, then that's well and good. So if there are no questions, then we can wind up the session.
So it's all right if we leave then, right, bro?
Yes, yes, you can leave. Thank you very much for joining. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah. Thanks, man.
If you guys have any doubts, I'll just drop my number. I think I'm already in the WhatsApp group, and I'll drop my contact number over here. So if you guys have any doubts, you can contact me anytime.